Hi, this is Neeraj Jaiswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to add the event handler for the plus minus toggle button. So to do that, I'll need to open the calculator script. I'll need to add the function to handle that toggle button click. I'll just name it as toggle pressed. I'll just retrieve the number. The result, I can just copy it from here. There it is. Now for the toggle, what you have to do is you have to multiply it by -1. So I'll do it like -1 into the number. The new number is then saved to the result. So this is the function which you have to set. Let us save it and build it to check that there's no errors out here. And then we can just go back to the Unity editor. Now we'll come back to here and then click on the toggle button. We'll go to the on click part, basically that section, and then we'll click on this plus button. We'll drag the game object which is holding the script and set it here, and then select the on toggle pressed function. So now this is set. Let us run the application. So what should happen, like whatever number I am entering, it should change to, yeah, this works perfectly now. So this toggles. So the toggle button for the plus minus is working perfectly. So that's all in this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.